Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, and to the point. And I've worked at IRS, God, over a decade. I've worked thousands of cases, so I have a very unique understanding of IRS and IRS debt due to the volume of experience that I have and my team has. Our team has over, I don't know, about 200 years of direct IRS work experience. My YouTubes are educational. They're not promotional, just so you know. Today I want to talk to you about the subject is, does IRS forgive debt? How do you get your debt forgiven by IRS? There's about 5 ways to get rid of your current tax debt, different ways, but today I only want to talk about 2. You can get your debt forgiven. Well, actually, there's 3. In a bankruptcy, a Chapter 7. Most people are surprised that you can discharge debt, but you can in a bankruptcy. There are certain rules, and you have to contact a bankruptcy attorney. But your taxes have got to be 3 years or older. They got to be filed for 2 years and assessed for 240 days. But IRS has within themselves a couple programs to go ahead and do that. The number 1 is the offer and compromise. It's the penny dollar, that type of thing. So the offer and compromise has been out there for, God, forever, ever since I've been working at IRS. It's got popularity really with the marketing and advertising that's going on. Everyone can settle their debt. The reality is they can't. IRS got about 80,000 offers. They accepted about 21,000 for an average settlement of 16. IRS completely forgives you debt if you get an offer accepted by the Internal Revenue Service. So just don't go give your offer to anybody. Make sure you have a qualified person. I used to teach the offer program and used to accept and deny them. And there's a lot of good people out there, but just remember, if you're talking to someone, make sure you're talking to the person who is going to go ahead and actually work your case. So when you submit the offer and you meet the terms of that offer, that debt is forgiven. So that's the number one way the service has. By the way, my stream sometime is bad. Secondly, IRS can write your case off as currently non-collectible. And if it stays there long enough, the statute will expire and IRS will write that debt off. So if you can get put in currently non-collectible and you're toward the end of your statute and IRS does not resurrect it back out to the field again, your case is going to die, so you'll get your debt forgiven. The Irs Statute of Limitations, by the way, is 10 years from the date of the assessment, not the tax year. So if you filed a tax return in 2020, for 2020 and 2021, if IRS assesses that 6 weeks later after your file, the 10 years really runs from that date. The only way to find out that is to pull a transcript. So the main 2 ways that IRS has is the offer and compromise program and getting put in hardship. So what's necessary to determine is to let a pro see your current financial statement on an IRS Form 433F and 433A, and then that person will be able to tell you if you can get your debt forgiven. Thank you very much.